Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Sushant Raj from Protel India Private Limited. We are exclusively Indian partner of for NutriBullet Blender. I will assisting you today with the demo of your NutriCook Bullet Combo Blender. How are you doing, sir? First, I want to tell about the brand about this brand. Ma'am. Is this your first product from the NutriBullet? Since this is your first product from your NutriBullet, I would like to tell you that bit about the brand. NutriBullet is a US brand and one of the leading innovator in a higher performance blender. The brand focus on nutrition focused blending technology help customer to prepare the healthy and drink meal easily. NutriBullet have their own research and development center. This company manufactures its own product, ensuring the strong quality control and the long-term availability for a spare part accessory. NutriBullet produce thrust a global powerful performance durability and the health. Can I know, ma'am? Did you box or unbox? Okay. Ma'am, during unboxing, I would like to tell about this product. Ma'am, this product have um, a three jar, which is one cup, which is from 500 ml, and second one um, 700 ml, and bigger larger one, which is 1.8 liter, which these combination of jar you it's give you independent to make too many food at a time. Now I would like to tell you, man, it's have a 1200 watt motor based copper bond motor which make it highly efficiently and work a smooth. And as I can tell you, man, its blade is a titanium coated which make it stronger as earlier one. As I told you, man, it have a 1.8 liter pitchers come with the attached blender and made up of Tritan material, which is a BPA free and high durable. Now I would like to tell you about what is BPA. It basically, ma'am, whenever you use other brand of product, as you know, some store jar uh, that material which made up on it, it release some harmful toxic. So this complaint or this is not happen with it. And ma'am, as I told you, a cup with handle which is 700 ml include handle for convenient to you and clip to top lid and allow you to lock the cap and carry your drink easier to the gym. Installation setup, ma'am. Place the motor base on the flat and dry surface. Choose the pitcher or cup depending on your quantity of ingredient. For the cup, attach the extractor blade by the twisting it securely. Fill ingredient below the maximum level. Mix it prevent overflow. Place the pitcher or cup on the motor base and lock it properly with supply. And I want to tell you, ma'am, how to use and what should precaution you should take care about during when use. Preparation before blending. Ensure that blending is connected with the power socket. Add ingredient into the pitcher or cup below the maximum level marks and secure the lip or blend properly. Place the jar into the mortar base and ensure it locks. During blending, select the required blending mode and blend or offer 5 blending mode, which is low for soft fruit and light smooth, medium mode for the surface and soft and smoothie, high mode for the hard ingredient like frozen fruits and vegetables, pulsage mode for chopping vegetable or odds blending, and extract mode automatically adjust blending speed and extract nutrients from the hard ingredient like seeds and frozen fruits. As I told you, ma'am, it's powerful 1200-watt motor which have fast blending and grinding power, and it's rotate its blade with from 22,000 RPM. It's complete in a 1 minute. 20 to 22,000 cycle in just a 1 minute. So you can imagine what speed it run. Nutrient extraction technology. Extracted blade ensures that the maximum nutrient extract from the fruit, vegetable and seeds. BPA free treatment relay. As I told you, this is made up of BPA free plastic which does not release any harmful toxic substance to with your sex. Now I would like to recommend clean and maintenance part. Reach the cup and blend immediately after use. Use soft sponge with a mild detergent to clean the all parts. Do not immerse the motor waste in the water and dry all the part completely before the store and make sure it dry completely. Store the blender in a cool and dry place. Now I tell you again, ma'am, what to do and what you don't do during the using this product. Clean the cup and blend after every use and cut ingredient into the medium place before the blending. Use the short brush or a bit of texture. Add liquid when the mixing a smoothie for a smooth blend. Handle the extraction plate and carefully as it is sharp. Use the correct blending mode for the different ingredients. And we can do what you don't do during the use this product. Do not overload the cup beyond the maximum. It may cause the overflow. And don't run the motor continuously for more than 60 seconds. And don't operate the pictures without the lid. And do not place jar or lid is very hot dishwasher water, and do not use the rough scrubber with while cleaning. Now we can on warranty part. Ma'am, you have registered the warranty for your NutriPlus blender. If not, then I will guide you how to proceed. Ma'am, please visit the official NutriBullet website and go the warranty registration section. You just need to enter your product and detail along with your personal information. Submit form, and once the warranty registered is completed, you will receive a confirmation message or mail for your recorded. Ma'am, NutriBullet combo blend come with a 1 year warranty on electrical parts. Are you happy with and satisfied with my product demo and service from my side, ma'am? Oh, I'm so glad to you are happy with the demo setup. And if you have purchased from Amazon, would you mind you will please share a quick review monitor by my name. It helps both the company evaluates and my service also help the other customer make the information decide in future. Ma'am, in case any query or doubt, please reach out to me. You can save my contact detail as the NutriBullet. Shashant, NutriBullet. In case of any future service request, and please contact the toll-free number mentioned in the manual as well as the box. Thank you.